ریسرچر اتنی جلدی شادی نہیں کرتا ویریبلز کے درمیان، وہ پہلے ایویڈنس دیکھتا ہے. دھوئیں سے آگ کا شک ثبوت نہیں ہوتا. بالکل اسٹوڈنٹس، دھواں دیکھ کر شک ہوتا ہے، لیکن ریسرچر کہتا ہے پروف لاؤ کہ آگ لگی ہے، دھواں آگ سے اٹھ رہا ہے. ہر تعلق وجہ نہیں ہوتا، ہر ریلیشن ریزنز نہیں ہوتی، کبھی ہڈن ویریبلز بھی ہوتے ہیں. ریسپیکٹڈ اسٹوڈنٹس، آئس کریم سیلز بھی سمر میں انکریز ہوتی ہیں، اور ڈراؤننگ کیسز بھی، ڈوبنے کے بھی. اب اس کا مطلب یہ نہیں کہ آئس کریم ڈینجرس ہے کہ لوگ اس کی وجہ سے ڈوبتے ہیں، ورنہ دنیا کی ساری آئس کریم کمپنیز بند ہو جائیں کیونکہ یہ لوگوں کو ڈبوتی ہیں. ریسرچ ایتھکس فرام پرابلم ٹو رپورٹ. Ethics is one step in research. Ethics travel with every step. First, problem identification. Choose a real and meaningful problem. Do not create a fake issue. Second, observation. Observe honestly. Don't exaggerate the situation. Third, problem statement. Define the problem clearly and fairly. Fourth, research question. Ask questions that are respectful and useful. Fifth, objectives. Keep objective realistic and beneficial. Sixth, literature review. Give proper credit to original authors. Avoid plagiarism. Seventh, theoretical framework and hypothesis. Do not force relationship. Build them logically. Eight, research design. Select methods that are fair, safe, and suitable. Ninth, data collection. Take informed consent and protect privacy. 10th, data analysis. Analyze honestly. Do not manipulate results. 11th, interpretation. Explain findings carefully. Do not overclaim. Finally, report writing. Present truth with references, limitations, and responsibility. Remember.
Research proposal, the blueprint of research. A research proposal is a roadmap that explains what we will study, why we will study it, and how we will conduct the research. The 12 important ingredients of a research proposal are: 1. Executive summary. 2. Problem statement. 3. Research objectives. 4. Literature review. 5. Importance and benefits of study. 6. Research design or methodology. 7. Qualification of researchers. 8. Budget. 9. Schedule. 10. Facilities and resources. 11. Project management. 12. Bibliography and appendices. Remember, good research begins with a question, but successful research begins with a plan.
Imagine a student asking a simple question. Why did South Korea develop so rapidly while Pakistan grew more slowly? This becomes our research proposal. First comes the executive summary, a short introduction of the study. Second, the problem statement. Why is there a difference in growth? Third, research objectives. We want to compare education and economic growth. Fourth, literature review. What have previous researchers said? Fifth, importance of study. This may help students, researchers, and policymakers. Sixth, methodology. How will we study it? Through reports and data. Seventh, researcher qualification. Who will conduct the study? Eighth, budget. What resources and cost are needed? Ninth, schedule. When will each task be completed? 10th, facilities and resources, internet, books, and databases. 11th, project management. Who will do which task? Finally, bibliography and appendices, references and supporting material. Remember, research starts with curiosity, but success starts with a plan. For watching the full video or complete course, please visit the CourseMera YouTube channel, a humble initiative dedicated to service to society through knowledge sharing, learning, hope, and positive change.